Here's how to delete a VPN from your iPhone. Now, if you swipe down from the top right, next to Wi-Fi, if you see VPN, you're currently connected to a VPN. Let's go through the process of deleting it. There are two different options to be able to do that. The first one is to head into your settings. Now, within your settings, you can either just disable that VPN, but retain the VPN configuration, or if you no longer want any VPN, you can completely delete it out. To be able to do that, let's tap on General, scroll down and tap on VPN and Device Management. Now here is my VPN, and of course, as I showed you before, it's currently connected. If I tap on it, it gives me two different options to be able to do this. One is at the very top, I can turn this off, and it goes from connected to not connected. This means the VPN is no longer working, but it's not technically deleted from my iPhone. It's still on here. You can see VPN Super, and sometimes it automatically reconnects on its own like it did there. Now, to be able to delete it, another option is to tap the I and then hit Delete VPN and delete. Just like that, you have fully deleted out that VPN. But keep in mind, after you've done that, you might want to press and hold on the VPN app itself because that will still be on your iPhone. And from here, just tap on Remove and Delete App and then delete. And now no remnants of that VPN will be left over on your iPhone.